What'd you find?
This and this. This.
Beautiful.
Here.
Put them here. Henny's got a wet butt. Wiggle butt, wiggle butt. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, are you doing a little dance too? Oh, the moon's already out. The moon's already out. Harley, you got 1 minute. We got to start walking to the car. You guys are going to start getting chilly quick.
I'm not going to
You aren't? Let me see you.
One.
What is it?
It's a cookie one.
What is it?
Seaweed ball. I found a beautiful shell. Ta-da!
Let me see.
Ta-da!
Drop it in.
Ta-da!
I got a lot.
And I also found these.
You want me to take them? All right, we're going to start walking back this way to the stairs. Come on, Harley. Come on, Henny. Start walking this way. Harley. Ooh, Henny, look at this one. That one. The big boy. You just like sitting on your butt, don't you? What about this one?
Let me see it.
That one.
Whoa!
Come on, let's start walking.
Look at it, Mommy.
It goes on your finger? Come on, Hendrix.
It's a shovel.
Henny, let's go. We'll go home and take baths and then figure out what we're having for dinner.
Look what I found. I found a bee shell.
Ooh. Got it.
I found this shell, a draw shell, and then a bee shell.
Oh,
And
nice.
then a beaver jaw shell again.
Okay,
And maybe not for anymore.
let's start walking.
No, I'm putting it next part. Spot. Next part. Spot.
Hey, Harley and Henny, be nice to each other. All right, let's go to the car if we can't be nice. Come on, both of you up now. Let's go. Harley, please don't. Hendrix, now. Come on. Henny, now.
No, I didn't. Here. Oh. Can I have it? Let me see it. Let me see it.
Okay, Henny. Oh. She still has it. Grab it. Careful. Okay, careful where we're walking.
That's animal.
I know, it's kind of cool, right? It's
Yeah.
a big boy.
Oh, let's see it. Wait, I need my sand thing to do that. Can I wear some drawing? No. This one. That one. This.
Harley, this way. Harley. Hendrix, come on.